back to my YouTube channel, guys, and today we shall be doing the daily cipher for 11th to 12th of August 2024. And today's letter is what? Nonce. N-O-N-C-E. So we go right into it. The first letter N, long press, dot. That's N, dash, dash, dash. That is for O. Long press, dot. That is for N. Long press, dot. Long press, dot. That is for C, and one tap for E. And we have the code cracked. So I click on what? Take the prize. Okay, you can see that I have my 1 million coins claimed. Yes. If you're yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly do that, and I'll keep you updated every single day on mining, Hamster Combat, TapSwap, and every other crypto mining or Telegram based mining updates. Thanks for watching this video, guys.